Hi dearest, Merry Christmas in advance. So today I'm working on the hair clip that my daughter is going to be using for our power service, which is coming up tomorrow. Oh, this is a bit bent. Okay, it's okay now. Alright, so I've done this first part, so I'll be showing you this. This is 86 divided by 2, that's 43. So this is 43 inches. This also is 43 inches that I used to make this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to be holding the edges. I'm going to hold this edge first. Now, to the announcement of who won our last week challenge. It is Ladum Favor. Congratulations. Now, if you click the link for the Vencraft Academy in the description of this video, you make a request for your prize, which is Brush Class 2 for free. Congratulations once more. And if you want to be a lucky winner like Ladum Favor, then you need to stay to the end of this video and watch it carefully so you'll be able to answer the question at the end. Okay, and if you've noticed, I have attached bias to this. In case you don't know how to do that, I would show you. I would put the link of the video. I would attach it I'll put it in the description below. Sorry about all the mix up in what I'm saying. I'll try to do this and focus on all at the same time. Okay, so I'll put that in the description of the video on how to attach this. But if you want to know a lot concerning Crinoline, I would advise you join our Crinoline Masters class. It starts from the beginning. It starts telling you all about Crinoline, what Crinoline is, how to make use of it, what you can do with Crinoline, what you can make with it, and various more. So this actually removed it. I've made a design with it before, so I'll created it, so I'm going to be using this. Alright, so the next thing that I want to do is I'm going to do running stitches. Okay? Running stitches all the way down. So as I was saying, the Crinoline Masters class is going for half price now. In fact, all the classes that we have in the Vencraft for this month of December 2024, they are all half prices, 50% discount. So I'd advise you check the description of this video. You will see the Vencraft Academy link. It's a Telegram link, so if you don't have Telegram installed on your phone, you would have to install it first before you can click on the link. So install it, then click on the link, and then make your request to see all the classes. But if it's just Crinoline class that you're interested in, you can just say that you want the Crinoline Masters class. I would let you have the details, and then you make your payment and join the class. Okay, so I'm going to sew up the edge too. You can sew the two edges before you do this, but I want to just do a quick one so it's easier to just do this. Okay, like that, and then I'm going to start folding it as if I'm doing pleats. Do you understand? Just like you're doing pleats. Okay, then I'll hold it down and I'll turn it like this, and I sew it. Okay, alright, so there we have it. Okay, and I have this here. So I'm going to be sewing. I think it will be easier to sew it direct on the clip to hold it firm. So I'm going to open up this part like this. If you want, you can cut off the side so it becomes less. That may have been the best thing to do. button it. Okay, I think I want to make it closer, so I put it on top like this. Okay, it's quite big. I wonder whether I should agree to wear this one. This is what was coming into my mind there on what to do. Okay, so let's sew it together. Now, because I'd used this before, so there are glues all over. So for you, you can trim out this part so it's not so heavy. But even if it's heavy like this, we're going to see the outcome and all that we're going to do, and you decide whether you want yours heavy like this too, or you want it slim. So I'll open this here, place it like that. Okay, pass it again so that it holds firm. Sew this down. Okay, then so the next thing I want to do now is put my glue on it, just around here. Okay. This, and to fold this in, I was trying to cut it, but because of the glues on it, it's refusing. And I'm going to take this ribbon. Just use it to take it round to the opening of the pin. Okay, so we're going to use this ribbon to cover all the goofy things around. Okay, this part needs to go in. Move in. All the hairs start sticking out. And tightening it, it's really tight. So I'm going to seems like this my scissors is telling me bye bye. I should tell it not to tell me bye bye yet, so I love it. Yes. It's better for it to be underneath so it's not seen. So let's put glue on top, cut it some more. Okay, then put a little on the edge. Sorry, fan is disturbing it. And put my glue. Thank you, dear viewers and subscribers, for staying to the end of this video. Now, our challenge question today is: how many yards was used to make this gorgeous Crinoline Fascinator? Do write your answer in the comment section below this video. The winner is gonna be given Brush Class 3 for free in the Ventcraft Academy. But you know you have to make sure you watch the video coming up next week so that you don't miss the announcement and you don't miss your prize. Thanks for watching. See you all next week, Wednesday. Bye.